Hello, pen testers. This is Puneet from Rapid Safeguard back again with another video. And in this video, we are going to solve our weekend challenge lab. The lab name is Walking on Sky. So I am giving you a walkthrough about the lab and provide the solution. So let's start with the walkthrough about the lab. So in GraphQL interface of Apache Skywalking 8.3 and the previous version, there is S2 database SQL injection vulnerability. So sounds weird just telling you about the vulnerability and SQL injection and whatnot. So don't worry, I will show you the demo. So stay tuned with me. Before we dive into the vulnerability, just giving you a quick introduction about the Skywalk or Apache Skywalking. So Apache Skywalking is an application performance monitoring tool that provides automated and high performance monitoring solutions for microservices, cloud natives, and container based applications. If you are familiar with Amazon AWS, then there is a CloudWatch application monitoring tool. In Google Cloud or GCP have OPS pack that gives you monitoring capability for Compute Engine, Cloud Storage Bucket, and Cloud SQL database interfaces. So these are the services with different cloud providers. So different cloud provider or different cloud platform using different web services. So different platform is using different service. So in multiple version of Skywalking, unauthorized GraphQL API. So about the GraphQL, if we are talking about the GraphQL, so I have already created a separate video about the GraphQL where I have explained what is GraphQL, how does it work, and what is the difference between GraphQL and REST API. Even though I have performed the attack as well, where in GraphQL video itself, so you can check out over there. Even I will provide the link in description box. Now let's move on to how we can perform the exploit. First of all, we need to identify the vulnerable endpoint. For identifying the vulnerable endpoint, we can try in URL /GraphQL /GraphQL.php and many different parameters you can try. Secondly, perform the introspection. I have already covered this topic in GraphQL video itself, but I would like to mention over here as well. So introspection is enables you to underline the schema. In other words, you can get the details like types, fields, queries, and field level description using introspection. After the introspection, you need to perform the query flows. So one of the GraphQL disadvantages in design, you don't have any access control system. Developer has to write a rules for the access control. So if a developer miss the rules and attacker has identified, then boom, attacker can successfully perform the attack. In a Skywalking vulnerability, unauthorized GraphQL API are opened by default, and through which attacker can construct a malicious request for SQL injection, and in result, the leakage of sensitive information in user database. So this is all about the theory part. Now let's move on to the our favorite part, demo part, where you can get the better understanding. This is all about the Apache Skywalking vulnerability. If you want to try walking on Skylab or Apache Skywalking vulnerability lab, visit worldmachines.com. And if you are interested to learn a pen testing with real-time vulnerabilities, you can consider our premium labs. This is all from my side. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your InfoSec friends. Subscribe our channel. Join our Telegram channel. Link is in description box. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.